Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making red rooster dip chicken wings. You will need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/4 cups of red rooster hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 5 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 5 tablespoons of peanut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and canola oil for frying. To make your brine, you'll need 1/4 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 8 cups of water. To make the brine, add 1/4 cup of salt and 1/4 cup of sugar to 8 cups of water. Now whisk until all of the salt and sugar has dissolved. Now add the chicken wings, then cover with plastic wrap and transfer to your refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 1 hour. In a separate bowl, combine the flour and cornstarch. Now add the baking powder, seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk until well combined. After your chicken has been in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, pour off your brine. Now generously coat the chicken with the flour, then place them on a wire rack. Preheat your oil to 350 degrees, then fry your wings for 13 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. Remove the wings from the pot, then briefly place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil, then place them on a wire rack. In a pan, combine the hot sauce, peanut oil, molasses, honey, apple cider vinegar, and Worcestershire sauce, and mix until well combined. Heat the sauce for 2 minutes or until it reaches a light simmer. After 2 minutes, turn off your heat, then allow the sauce to cool before transferring to a bowl. Generously coat the chicken with the sauce, then return it to the wire rack. This recipe makes for a great appetizer. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made